Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to give this Meguiar's ceramic coating kit, the ultimate ceramic coating kit, test go on my Nissan Frontier Pro 4X. It's 2025. Truck is washed. I clayed it down, and I used to own a detail shop, PPF installer, ceramic coatings. All my other vehicles have professional ceramic coatings on it, and I'm going to just do a quick before and after, and then I'll do a long-term review on it based off of the protection that lasts 100 plus washes. We'll see how that goes. And the truck is nice and clean. It's got 12,000 miles on it, and I'm going to give it a go around it, do maybe a couple panels, show you how it spreads on and comes off, and then I'll show you the finished product right now. I'm going to dress the tires and then start applying this. And there is the after the Meguiar's ceramic coating. Really easy on, easy off. I used a wet towel, microfiber, to apply. Use the same towel for most of the truck. Wipe it on, spread it evenly, and then used a brand new dry towel to remove the haze and the excess. And it comes off really easy too. But see how long it lasts, so I'll do a long term on it. Here's a follow-up on the other side, so you can see how hard she is shining. Definitely gave it a mirror finish. You can completely see me back here. Anytime you can get your full reflection, it's usually a good shine. So all in all, a great product. I mean, we'll see if it lasts really long. I will do a follow-up. Here we are in the beginning of October. We'll see how it holds up come December. I'll do an update on it.